Alright, YouTube, it's the next day. Got the Mini here. Got the worker. We're doing that sod right there. Let's get it all prepped out. Yeah! Alright, YouTube, it's about 9:30. Just picked up the sod. Everything's pretty much graded out. Fixing to throw this topsoil down. Truck's looking good. Got Bouchman here. But yeah, fixing to throw this topsoil down. He's gonna dig out these edges. Should be good to rock. All right, YouTube, finished up that sod job. It's 1 o'clock, we're right on time. This dude's gotta go to college school. So, yeah, perfect. I'll put some pictures in and videos of the job because I low-key didn't film any of it, but there's 2 pallets, we used all of it. We put like 3 yards of top dressing down. Everything turned out good. We got everything trimmed up, look good. So I'm gonna drop this trailer, we're gonna go shower. He's gonna go off to school. I'm gonna go to the tire shop, get these back 4 tires put on, and then maybe do a oil change. All right, here it is with the 4 back tires, freshies. Then get this thing washed. Here, the others. These things are pretty shot, but I'm gonna see if I can get like $100 for them or so. Got them up on Marketplace for 200. So I need to list this trailer up for sale too. See if I can trade for a tandem, a dual tandem. Probably give the Mini a wash as well. Wash the trailer. Get these pallets off at some point. But yeah, the thing's all dirty, all muddy. So YouTube, it's Tuesday morning. I'm going to pick up a check, and then I got a few checks to cash at the bank. I'm gonna finish setting up my business account. So I'm gonna run over to the bank after I pick this check up, and then probably go grab some breakfast and send out a few quotes that I gotta write up. I got one I need to write up, and then I'm subbing out another. So I just basically need to transfer that information over. And then yeah, I'm probably gonna get back and I need to go post my jet ski for sale. So I'll probably wash that, take it to the lake, get it posted. I'm gonna take some different photos of it because I just haven't had luck selling it recently. So I wanna kind of just get a different photo, different background, make it look different, and see if that'll help. Yeah, I need some stuff to sell. I need the Dodge to sell, the Cummins. I need that jet ski to sell. So yeah, that's the plan for today. Probably also wash up the equipment, do some maintenance on them saws. I need to probably go get, I need to go to Ace and Ace Hardware and get a bar and chain for the 261. Yeah, so probably gonna wash up the trailer too, get that listed. I want to try to go get a bigger trailer, so see if anybody will want to trade me and maybe I add some cash or something. So we'll see. But that's the plan for today. Alright, Ace Hardware. I got a bar and a chain for the 261, and I also bought a chain for the 250. I'm gonna go work on those chains, and dang it, I forgot to put an order in for the sprockets, but I guess I can call it and do that. But not the sprockets. I need to get the like dampeners for the handle, the springs. Them things are all broke apparently, so, but I'll just call that in. Probably gonna go home. I just had the oil get delivered for this truck, so we'll change that oil. It's overdue. And I guess just probably work on some stuff throughout the day and shoot a few estimates over. Went to the bank, got the business account set up, dropped those checks in the business account, but they hold the freaking checks for 7 days as a new account. For 30 days, they hold the checks. I mean, for a 30-day period, they'll hold the checks for 7 days. So I'm out a couple grand and I can't even touch it. I got no money right now, but yeah, super. I swear the bank always has something like that I can't. It just drives me nuts. It drives me so nuts. But yeah, let me get home, change this oil, so I can get this change your oil light off or whatever, and yeah, work on these saws and whatnot. Forgot about this, but ordered this a few days ago. Looks good to me. I think that matches. Sweet. Easy work. Got all the oil too. Golly, that's a lot of oil. Yeah, I got a good bit extra. I've only named, I think, 4 of these, kinda. 4, give or take, so. And I got my filters in here. Fuel filters are probably gonna be here, like, I think tomorrow or something. All right, so just got the oil change done. 13 quarts, did it good. I did an OEM oil filter. Sitting up there. While I was under there, I hooked up the vacuum line for the locking hub up there, and also the brake line brackets are completely loose. When they did the lift on the level, they just completely loosened them up. So probably just need to get longer brake lines at some point. But I'd like to get rid of that spacer. Look at that. Looks freaking whack. And I'd like to get rid of that spacer and put an actual nice, probably level in like 3.5 or something. And then put like a nice little shock tower up in there too. So, but get it all drained out, put that in the storage bin or whatever, and take that to the. Pretty sure I got a ton of oil here, but there's new batteries and everything. Probably need to do this. I did the cabin air filter as well. Seemed to help the AC. Blows a lot harder now, so I'm glad about that. So yeah, I think it was filthy. But probably gonna take this jet ski out, wash it, and then take it to the lake and get it for sale. Gonna need some money, so I'm gonna do that now. All right, YouTube. So it's Wednesday afternoonish. I'm heading to go do an estimate. I got a call yesterday. A lady down. Dang it, lady down the road. Needs some like clearing in her backyard. Not really too sure what's going on, but I'm gonna take a look at it, and we'll see if we can close this job, get her a good price. So I talked to her about price over the phone. I told her typically the range that we're around, and that was a guess without seeing the job and whatnot. So she seems like she wants to be a little lower, which I might be able to do. Just depends on the amount of work and what machines I got to bring out there. But if I just got to bring out the Dingo, I could probably get it down to that price a little bit. But we'll just go see and go see what she wants. All right, so I went to go do that quote for that lady. Pretty much just a waste of time. Got to her backyard, and it was just like I didn't even take pictures. It was just all overgrown with like grass. It could have been done with a lawnmower. So I don't know if she was just kind of like a tire kicker or just didn't really understand. But I'm gonna shoot her a quote for some stumps, and I'm just gonna mark it up a lot. I feel like it's gonna be a hassle to kind of deal with that client. So I'm just gonna mark it up, and then if she takes it, she takes it, and make a little money on subbing my stump guy out. But other than that, don't really think anything will come from it. And I doubt she'll probably pay the stump price, but you never know. So, anyways, gonna go sell this jet ski. Hopefully, this guy's coming, so I'm hoping it'll sell because I want the cash out of it, and I just want it gone. Got too much money in toys. I like having the bike, but the jet ski, I'll be fine if that goes. So, need the cash. Got to register that F350 here in a little, so that's gonna be expensive. But I'm gonna go over to the lake, get that sold, and then yeah, hopefully it sells. All right, so it's the next day. I did sell that jet ski last night. A dude came, pretty good negotiators. They got me down $200. So. Yeah, they were slick. They were slick. They pulled the whole. I mean, we can just leave, and I don't know. They got me. Like I don't, I told my buddy I'd let it go for a lot less the other day just because of how bad I wanted it gone and how bad wanted the money, so I guess it ain't too bad. But they were good at what they do. So, but got that going. Going to look at a 500i right now. I seen it. I got a 261. I saw it yesterday morning, and they had a 500i as well, but I didn't have the money with me, so I'm gonna go pick that up. I've been wanting a 500i, and from there I should be good on my chainsaws. That'll be my big saw, and then I got a bunch of little ones, so I should be good on that. But I'm gonna go pick that up, and then yeah, I don't really know. I picked up a Tahoe last night. I got it from some family friends. They just gave it to me, and it's got like a boatload of miles. Don't run, so we'll see if we can get that running. And yeah, probably list it for sale today, hopefully, if I can or can't get it running. Either way, I want it gone. I don't want it sitting at my house. So, but I'm back in the Dodge. Trailer's hooked up with that Tahoe to the F350. So, figure I'd spend some fuel down on this instead of the new truck. So, gonna go get that saw. It's like 30 minutes away, and then I guess we'll work on that Tahoe. See what's going on with it. All right, so we got the 500i here. This thing's a beast. I want to go try it out, but good looking saw. It's pretty much new. So got a Tahoe down there. Gonna get that thing unloaded and probably just list it for sale. I don't feel like messing with it, so get that thing going. And we got the 261, and then the other 261 that's not looking too good. Needs a handle. So this one's pretty good though. This one's pretty much new. All right, YouTube, we got the Tahoe dropped. Sitting right over there. I gotta take my buddy's trailer back. That thing came in clutch. Appreciate you, Resin. That winch, it's clutch. I need to sell that saw. That's a 271. I also want to make a compaction stick. I'm gonna weld these two together. Just some rebar, 1/2 inch. Actually, yeah, that's 1/2 inch. I'm gonna make like a little T-handle, and then have a compaction stick. That's how. That's what I recently learned. You can just check compaction by sticking a little probe in the ground. So you kind of just do it by feel. So, and I'm probably just gonna list that Tahoe for like 800 bucks. See what happens. If I can get it going today, I'll probably take like 500. So pretty easy money. But it is kind of a headache dealing with like broken down vehicles and whatnot. So we'll list this Tahoe up real quick. The Tahoe listed. Got me some door hangers right here. I'm gonna put these in the F350. I'm gonna stop by the bank, put some cash in there, and also take this big old jug of coins. Check out Resin's setup he got going on right here. He got the pack out, freaking straps. He's got the winch. Solid setup, dude. Solid setup. But yeah, I'm gonna go drop this trailer and stop by the bank again. All right, YouTube. It's next day. It's Friday right now. So yesterday, sold the Tahoe, got some money for it. Sold quick. I probably could have got more, but I just wanted it gone. Right now, I got the gooseneck hooked up, got the mini unloaded. I gotta get the grapple. I need to start carrying all my attachments, but I'm gonna drop those pallets off, and then yeah, I need to get the grapple, and then I gotta run. I'm doing some work for a buddy today, just like around his house, nothing crazy, and then I got a quote up in Jasper, so we'll I got that quote at 1, so we'll shoot up there probably mid-job, and yeah, but I need to wash this trailer and machine, but maybe some other day. But yeah, we'll get to it. All right, YouTube, just got the Mini dropped off at my buddy's house. I just dropped the trailer as well. I'm running up to Jasper to do that quote. That guy wanted to do it a little sooner, so I was like, all right, bet. That'll do. So I'm gonna run up there. It's about 40 minutes. Should get there just about on time. I do kind of want to change. I brought jeans and a nicer shirt, kind of less of a work outfit. So I'll might change into that or something. But yeah, let me scoot on up there. Hopefully I can get this job. It'd be nice. Be real nice. few minutes away. I just changed on the side of the road. A little cleaner clothes. But yeah, we're like 1 minute away. So see how this goes. Definitely up here. The drive up here is not too bad. A little windy, but nothing crazy on the hills. So yeah, we'll see what this property looks like. Hopefully we can get like a few days out here with some machines. That'd be nice. It'd be real nice. So we'll see. All right, YouTube, just got finished up. Got all that crap out of there. Did some trees. 500 ID good. Beast of a saw. Way more dangerous than like smaller saws. I don't know why I thought it'd, I guess, yeah, I don't know. Just threw me off. But yeah, the estimate did good. I need to go I guess type that out and send it off. But yeah, I don't know. We'll see.